Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Cheers.
Enjoying some baby back ribs here.
Mmm.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Good bone.
Good bone?
Yummy. Good. Good.
Oh, don't fall off the stool.
Good. Yummy and good.
It's yummy and good.
Where are you
isn't it?
going? Hey.
Oscar, you got
Come
dirty
eat
hands.
up here. Hands are dirty. Good boy.
How do you like that meat on that bone?
Yeah.
Some of us eat the meat and throw away the bones. Some of us eat the bones and spit out the meat.
Oscar.
You'll notice Oscar likes to eat ribs, making sure that he doesn't want to spill on himself.
So he's got no pants on.
Don't touch mommy with the ribs, honey.
Sorry, I think I have to do laundry.